Summer Camp Afternoon Activity Stations. Welcome to the colorful world of creativity at Baby Shark Summer Camp. During week 1, our Baby Shark tanks explored exciting afternoon activity stations designed to inspire imagination, hands-on learning, and self-expression. 5 creative themes. Week 1. Ocean color creation. Children explored the wonders of the see-through painting, coloring, and creative ocean-themed artwork filled with vibrant colors and imagination. Nature Art Workshop. Using natural materials, the Baby Shark tanks created beautiful crafts while discovering the beauty of the world around them. Creative Building Challenge. Children work together to construct unique models, develop problem-solving skills, and bring their ideas to life through hands-on building activities. Craft and Design Studio. From cutting and pasting to decorating and designing, every child became a little artist expressing creativity through personalized artwork. Color Science Exploration. Fun experiments helped children discover the magic of colors through observation, prediction, and exciting scientific discoveries. What makes creative activities so special for our Baby Shark tanks? Creative experiences help children strengthen fine motor skills, improve concentration, boost confidence, encourage independent thinking, and develop imagination in a joyful learning environment. Every afternoon at Baby Shark Summer Camp is filled with laughter, exploration, creativity, and unforgettable memories for our little learners. Parents, which creative theme would your child enjoy the most? Leave a comment below and let Baby Shark know. Hashtag Mamnonbabirk, hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag Summer Camp, hashtag Creative Summer Camp, hashtag Creative Kids, hashtag Fun Learning, hashtag Art Activities, hashtag STEAM Learning, hashtag Preschool Life, hashtag Baby Shark.